Well, we're out here trying to kill some doe. It's Friday, second to last day of rifle season, and trying to get a doe, so we'll see what happens. Got about an hour till dark, so let's make it happen. They'll come around at bits real slow.
Try to watch our low. If they try to sneak around our low, they come right under us. See that beacon there?
One standing all the way over.
575. 575. See the one right in the middle of them three? You got it?
I see, yeah.
The biggest one?
Yeah, I see it.
Whacker. Drop her. Get on her. Stay on her. Whacker. Dropped her. Get on her. Stay on her. You smacked her, bro.
Oh, man. Holy crap. 575 yards, man.
Tell me that.
Oh, man. Gosh almighty, man. That's crazy. 575, man. I love this gun. I don't care. I missed a big one. I'm going to admit it. I just missed a big one. But gosh. I just shot it up 575 yards, man. That's almost as far as this thing clicks up to. With this freaking 7mm, man, I love it. Whew, I know you rattled me with that shot. But I didn't care. I was watching her.
Well,
let's get over here and get her. It'll be dark before we get over there. But, gosh, that's a mile, son. Ooh, thank you, Lord. I said there's one ray of hope can change us around. One ray of hope can just change this whole day around. And sure enough, man, we look out there and there's 500 deer standing out there. We started to go out there, we should have, but man, I'd rather have that shot right there because that's the coolest thing ever than to be right up on top of one. Because that's cool, man. She hit the dirt. Oh, let's go up there and get them.
all right.
Thank you, Lord. 575 yards, boy.
Right through the neck.
Through the neck.
God, that's a big one, too.
Big doe, too. Oh, man. Here she is, 575 yard shot. Yeah, man, that's a pretty good distance, and dropped her on a spot, man. Right through right there.
That's why you get out here and practice.
Yeah. That's what it takes to shoot a little bit. That 7mm, man, it's perfect. I mean, 575 yards, she went point, hit the dirt, never moved. Oh, thank you, Lord. It's the last day. Last daylight. I mean, last 15 minutes. And we got it done. It's crazy. I was sitting there in my head. It takes 1 second of gleaming hope to come out. And we looked over here, and there was 50. I said, daggone it. Come on, let's go. We got into 575 yards, and sure enough, pulled the trigger, and she smacked the ground. So, thank you, Lord, man. That's a shot. So let's get her gutted and get her out of here.
Good shot.
Thank you, Lord. That's a big old doe. Thank you, Lord, for a pretty good rifle season.
It was awesome.
Got 2 does.
It was awesome.
So let's get her gutted, get her out of here. And go skin her tomorrow, I say.
Over and out.
Over and out.